Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 4 great exercises if you're over 50. These can be done once or twice a day to really get up the heart rate and also help tone. Now what we're going to do first, we're just going to very gently do a few little bits of twisting just to warm up the body a little. And one last time. And then you just want to stand and place your hand onto your tummy and gently breathe in for 3 and hold that position, that core, so your core is engaged whilst we're doing these exercises. Now the first exercise I'm going to do is a basic squat. This is probably one of the best exercises you can do. And I don't have any trainers on. If you do, that's fine. But if you don't, you want to spread out your toes, so lots of surface area on your foot, so you're nice and stable. I'm placing my hands out and I'm very gently squatting, and you want to make sure that your knees are not going over your toes. And we'll come down and come back up, again holding and engaging that core. And let's do this for 8. Slowly go down, come up, squeeze the glute as you come back up. And you do this nice and slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remembering to breathe. And you want a fairly straight back. And last one, and up, and give it a little shake. So now we're going to do a squat with a twist. So I'm just placing my legs out slightly more, legs slightly angled, again feet, toes nice and spread out for lots of surface area. And we want to do a gentle squat. And you want, again, you don't want your knees going over your toes. Placing our hand, you can either in a prayer position or you can do it in a make fists, and you want to gently twist and go to the side, come up, come down, twist and twist. And we do this 8 times on each side. I'm going to use my fists. So 1, 2, remembering to hold that core, keep it engaged. 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more time on each side, and gently come up. So now we're going to do like an open gate with the feet. So I'm standing, and if you like, you can hold onto a wall or a chair for a bit more stability, or place your hands on your hips and gently lift your leg up, come out and come back down. And we do this almost in a round circular motion, and we do this 8 times on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the other leg, gently lifting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8, and give it a shake out. Now the last exercise we're going to do is jumping jacks, which I absolutely hate, but they're so good for the heart rate, gets everything going and pumping, and sometimes it's actually good to be out of breath a little bit. So we're starting back nice and straight, core engaged, and let's just do 8 jumping jacks, and you can go as slow as you like or as fast as you like. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and if you like, you can walk it out. Now, what I like to do for just a little bit of a cool down is just to place our legs out and just gently give a little stretch of the inner thigh. Again, making sure your knees aren't over your toes. And you can do that set of 4 exercises 3 times. And coming down, nice stretch, and then come up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, oh, also comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.